Hey everyone, it's Nunu and I'm just going to show you guys how to basically wash and style your Kinky Coarse clip-ins. So if you are a type 4A to 4C babe, this is the hair that you need. I just love it because it really blends with my hair. It makes me appreciate my hair. I just love that it's, you know, beautiful 4C. So yeah, I'm just giving it a little wash and condition and keep watching. So I've got two bundles because you pretty much need two bundles to cover your entire hair. And firstly, I'm just literally wetting my hair a little bit, putting a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to make sure it's moisturized and it's going to blend with the hair extensions, because that's really the most important thing. It's all about blending when you're really working with clip-ins. So just sectioning my hair literally anyhow, like you don't need to be specific or straight, you don't need a comb, just use your hands, section your hair however you want and just make sure you clip the right set of clip-ins in your hair, really. So another reason why I love this hair is because it's just so easy and quick to put on, and once I have it in, I normally will have it for at least 5 days and I'll just sleep with it. So now we're literally almost done, and you can see that this is the critical part where you need to really focus on blending. And all I really did was add some water, put some more product so my hair went a little bit more flat, and lastly all I did was section my parting, and then as you see I added a little bit of gel. Now gummy wax, I'd say you better invest yourself in that because it literally just smothers my hair and it helps with the blending, and it was very smooth. So yeah, we're all done. Guys, do not go and kill yourself during this weather and wear a wig. Just wear some, to all my black girls, clip-ins.